So here we are on location. I'm here with Bon.
Yeah!
Hey Bon. The set's looking good. Looky. Hello Bon, of course. The set's looking pretty good.
Yeah!
But once again, we are outside. It's not too cloudy and the sun's not really shining too much. So we're gonna try to make it work for us. Bon, our funky photog, for sure will make it work in the picture.
Charlang!
But we have to watch out because there are lots of landmines. Can't be away without one of these when you're shooting in the house. So there, yum! Delish. I'm hungry already. So the boys are getting ready, they're getting dressed up, hair and makeup, rock stars. And then we're gonna proceed with the shoot. So yeah, they're all psyched. It's gonna be great. We're supporting what is that?
Local artist.
Local artist. Hello, we're here with Japs, the vocalist of Novelista Pasta. So Japs, sing us one line from one of your favorite songs.
Okay, sige. Ang title ani Dili, Unos.
Okay, Unos.
Okay.
Why Unos? Tell us.
Bali tribute na sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo.
Alright.
Like Ondoy.
Wow.
Okay. Sa chorus na lang. Okay.
Sige.
Pagkat di ka na mag-iisa ngayon, sabay tayong aahon sa kahapon.
Yeah.
Ibabalik ang liwanag ng umaga na nakaukit sa tadhanang kay ganda. That's it.
Nice! How did you discover Novelista Pasta? So, like, why are you shooting them today?
Wow, ang form na ako, pina-artist pag daw.
Okay, go!
Well, Novelista Pasta are friends na ginako ang isa sa member nila. And why I'm doing this free photo shoot for band? Because formerly, nagbanda-banda rin ako. And I can really see na ang struggle sa artist like sa music industry. Ang kuha naman rin, ang kita mo ba'y mag-help sa local artist kundi ang kapwa local artist?
Yahoo! Nice! Ikaw.
Adam, Adonis, drummer.
Tap, vocalist.
Erickson, guitar.
Alright, Novelista Pasta. Hello, citizens of cyberspace. We just wrapped up a shoot here with Novelista Pasta. Really nice pictures. Check out the pictures at www.bonaserious.com.
Yeah.
So, a quick interview with the guys. So, Novelista Pasta. What's the name? Why did you choose it?
Ang Novelista Pasta. Ang Novelista comes from mga word na novel. So, ang Novelista, siya itibuhatog ka ng write sa mga novel, diba? So, kanang mga novel, mga drama, like, sa mga song na mo, mga drama-drama, bitaw. So, kana, mga pa-third, and then Pasta para mag-kwela siya paminahon, like, sa other bands, like, Storms and Coaches, like,
I really love Pasta.
Oh, yeah.
Sana ako,
Okay, so these guys are the cast of
that's the way sounds good.
2007. So the big bad music world, your future fan.
Just continue to rock on. rock on.
Okay, you guys have
Keep on
girlfriends? Yeah.
Single.
Right, they're free too, girls. They're free. So that's it. It's been a long day, and the pictures are really, really nice. So check them out on Bon's website. So, alright, it's a wrap. Bon, it's a wrap. Bye.
Ito rap na. Wala akong nasabi.
Bye.